Hey everybody, it's the MycoSymbiote, and today we are going to start a bunker spawn of some cold blue oyster that we got from Mushroom Mountain. And we got this cold blue oyster to do some experiments with micro-remediation. So what we're doing for our bunker spawn is we have these my sinks filled up with shredded junk mail. And we covered each of these with a half cup of gypsum, or a quarter cup of gypsum and a half cup of coffee, and we're gonna soak them in boiling water for an hour to let them steam pasteurize, and then we're gonna add them into this and mix it up with the sawdust spawn, and then we're gonna let it sit for a while and colonize. Just gonna let it sit in this hot water bath for an hour and a half. Just let it cool down, do its thing. Oh, did I mention that we were also going to be using diapers for our bunker spawn? We have these all-natural diapers that my son grew too old for, so we're just going to soak these in some hot water and use these as well. So I've been working at this Asian restaurant, and they throw away these buckets sometimes, and I like them because they have a hole in the top for a soy sauce pump, and you can just fill it with polyfill for air exchange. So we have our big bunker bucket down there for the blue oyster, but we also had some golden oyster that was needing moved out of its jar. So we used some of the substrate here, and we're going to inoculate some of these golden oysters. I'm going to put all three of these jars of golden oyster in there right now. Alright, we got our golden oyster grains in there. These are all from the same dikaryote, all three of these jars, even though they're on different grains. We got corn and rye. Basically same culture, so they'll recognize each other. So we're just going to mix this all in, wipe off the sides, and then close up our bucket. Alright, the grain spawn's all mixed in. Just closing it on up. Alright, now that our substrate is cooled down enough, we're going to break up and inoculate our cold blue oyster into this bin. Alright, we have everything nice and mixed in. We're just wiping off the edges so nothing tries to grow on the sides. And hopefully within a few weeks we'll have some colonized diapers that we can use in our micro-remediation projects. If you have any questions or comments, throw that down. If you like this video, hit the thumbs up. Share on Facebook and Twitter. Other than that, you've tuned into the MycoSymbiote, Propagate, and Myceliate.